Welcome back to Living Healthy with a Twist. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today is Monday, and we are going to do a little something different today. We are going to do something healthy for you to carry on for the week with yourself or your family, and we are going to do almond flour pumpkin bread with bananas. Very delicious, very nutritious. This pumpkin bread is not only tasty, but it's gluten-free and loaded with more nutrition than the regular bread. So this is one reason why we're doing it, for healthy reasons. I will have down in the description the recipe for you. Please like and subscribe to Healthy Living Healthy with a Twist, and we will begin. And my name is Lynn. Enjoy the video of this recipe. I'm still learning how to do the YouTube thing, but I don't want to give up. And if you're planning on doing a YouTube, don't give up as well. This is the ending of this